Within congressional polarization, examining rhetoric on C-SPAN, we have 4 different subteams, each approaching the subject from a different perspective. The audio analysis subteam is considering emotional activation through analysis of vocal pitch. They have used speech-to-text software in combination with Pratt and Python to extract features of presidential campaign speech audio. The team hypothesizes that in more recent speeches, emotional activation, and therefore pitch, is higher. The sentiment subteam performed sentiment analysis on speech data obtained from the C-SPAN API during the first year of both the Trump and Biden presidencies, using the search terms inflation and immigration, compiling a total of 4 datasets. Using the text data compiled by the C-SPAN API, the team analyzed the sentiment using 3 different sentiment analysis techniques in Python: a sentiment dictionary method, a textblub method, and a Vader method. They then compared the results of each analysis in order to assess differences in each method. The next subteam is studying the topic through the lens of hate speech. Throughout 2016 and 2017, 3 independent companies, Mechanical Turk Cooperative Campaign Analysis Project and Survey Sampling International, conducted surveys at different times to study American resentment lying within Trump's supporters after voicing his controversial opinions and ideas. This graph depicts the logistics regressions of each study, using a constant to help with comparison. The studies conducted by CCAP and MTurk show greater bias towards Muslim American resentment when compared to their constant. While the survey SSI conducted showed that the constant variable was greater than the MAR, Muslim American resentment, still showed a prevalent bias. Through these results, the study was able to conclude that there is a prevalent relationship between Trump and his supporters through his negative emphasis on Muslim Americans. Lastly, the web-based graphics team have written code to create preliminary versions of all interactive graphics the different subgroups are interested in working with. They will then use these preliminary versions to make interactive graphics for each of the other subteams, showing each subteam's respective work.